Why doesn't my Snapchat show location? If you want to add your location on Snapchat, whether for Snap Maps or adding a location to your snaps, first we need to turn on location permission for Snapchat. Here's how. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find Snapchat. Tap permission, set it allow while using the app or always. Without this, Snapchat won't be able to show your location, so make sure it turned on. Now let's add your location to Snap Map so your friend can see where you're snapping from. Open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left. Tap the setting icon in the top right. Scroll down to see my location. Here you can choose Ghost Mode if you don't want people to see your location. Pick the one option that works best for you. Want to add a location sticker to your snaps? You can do it. So take a snap first, take the sticker icon on the right, search for the location and select one from the list, place it anywhere on your snap and send it. So that's it. Now you know how to add your location on Snapchat in just a few steps. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and let me know in the comment box.